Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off autoplay next episode on Netflix on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. After that, click pencil icon at the top right corner and select any profile you want to edit the settings. Okay, and then here will appear several settings, and tap on Autoplay next episode to turn it off. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off Autoplay next episode on Netflix on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.